fun in Bugs Bunny?
If she gets too big for you because she kind of is, you said if you're in hopefully you can hold Bud here.
Look.
Roadrunner is like, he's like a mic.
Look, one's chewing on Ed's one.
Okay, him. Bugs Bunny, boy or girl? Girl. Girl.
Are they the cutest?
What? You can hold one in 1 minute, okay?
If you guys all want to hop and I can get a picture of all you.
Oh yeah, that would be great. Here, Tommy, want to spin
Kelsey,
around?
who wants to chew this Mom's.
Want to get in the middle? Here, bye, sit right here, look.
They're a little turtle. Pick a puppy and a person.
Let me make sure.
Here, give Lucy one.
Okay, 1, 2.
No. Those little bones off the ground over there.
No, I got Bud. Bugs is like, I like your skirt.
There's, get that back.
You're welcome.
Okay, we'll start.
How about this? You hold it.
Here, just hold it. And then he'll chew on it.
I'm sorry.
Can he be any more relaxed?
He looks pretty stressed to me.
They're so cute.
Hey, Roadrunner.
This is Tweety Bird if you want to share her. Why are you licking yourself? Got an itch, Wiley. Here, turn around. Select. Scoot over so Cal can sit with you. Yeah, hold this one.
They're very wiggly.
Go right here.
Hey, hey, bird.
Oh, hold on to them.
Okay, Roadrunner.
Say hi.
Tweety bird.
Aw.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, where are you?
Hey.
It's gonna eat your pants.
You like that little bit of rip out the end? Would you like to hold Roadrunner?
I know it's a bad idea.
Okay.
Females. We won't call you guys bitches.
I prefer the males.
Yeah.
The male dog is way more relaxed in my opinion. Tweety bird. Just put them right there next to you. Just here, put them next to the little.
You'd be a YouTube
Put
star.
them right next to the baby.
This is going to cause me all sorts of trouble here when I get back to the car.
Put them right next to.
Ah!
Lucy, come help him. Come help him.
Yes, you are.
I know what you really need is a big
Puppies.
ball pool where you put the puppies in.
It's going with the puppies. Everyone's playing.
Yeah.
Here, pet him.
Roadrunner.
Oh my God, they're little noises. So they're all husky.
Hello friends, we are out and about with the trailer, no less. We took a shower this morning and the tanks were getting pretty full. So we have an agreement with the campground in town, Bay Furnace, that we can dump there. So we brought it here to dump, and I needed to charge the batteries. The batteries were down to 10%, and with all the solar and the shade, I don't get anything at our current campground. So we came here for, we're in the school parking lot. The school, in prior years, the school had the library, and I think it still does, but the library had really good Wi-Fi. But I couldn't find Wi-Fi anywhere on the outside of the school. So we had to go to the laundromat. It has pretty good Wi-Fi, and that's where I just uploaded last week's video. If you saw last week's video, I'm still having trouble with my video editing software. Doesn't play the sound that's on the tape, on the clips. So, and we're right side of Lake Superior. Let me loosen you up and over here. We're right side of Lake Superior, so this is really nice. And they have picnic tables here. So we made breakfast and sat here and let the sun work the solar panels. And there's other people here. I don't know if they let you go overnight here or not, but he's supposed to be in the car. Get in the car. Get in there. Up. Come on, Akila. Get in there. No, do not climb in there. Just jump in. He's so lazy. But so he's been playing with the ball. His life is the ball. My life is to explore. I like to take the car and drive all over the place. We went to Marquette, which is 20 miles, 30 miles west of Munising. And then today we've been running around Munising and enjoying doing laundry in the laundromat. It takes about 40 minutes to do laundry for, I think it was $6. So while I'm in there, I can use the Wi-Fi for an hour, upload videos, watch videos, and catch up. So that was nice. And we've been playing with him. We haven't been making him stay in the car. But we did go in the trailer and cook our usual pancakes and maple syrup and stuff like that. And he enjoyed those as much as I did. But now I'm stuffed. And I really need to either use the bathroom or find a bathroom. I'll probably find one. The Munising Mill Street laundromat is really nice right now. It used to be kind of trashy, and one of the problems with it is that the hotels and all the B&Bs, the Airbnbs, wash their sheets and laundry in that laundromat, so it can get pretty busy and pretty stuffed. There's a lot of washers and dryers, but you can run out of room pretty quick. If you don't get there earlier and get your stuff in a machine, you're going to be out of luck. Let me see what we are on the power. The ball's over there. That's the ball. He likes to leave the ball all over the place, so he has an excuse to get out of the car. and I just throw it over there. There's a hill with grass on it, and he can chase it up the hill and around. He can even go up to that big tree up there, which is just a big weed, and pee on it and go up underneath it and poop where nobody will ever find it. And I'm not going to go digging for it. But there's the trailer, and there's all the solar up on top of the trailer. And I think, let's see what we've got. The Victron shunt is really nice. Let me do this on the other side. So we're down 26%. I walk away from the trailer and it loses the connection. Let's get closer. So right now we're 26%, and we were at 15, and we're getting 6 amps off the sun, and it's pretty cloudy at the moment. It's not real nice and sunny. I mean, we got blue sky coming, but not for a while. The wind isn't coming directly our way. It's coming from the south, and it's just moving that sideways. It's been cloudy all day, really. So you can see on here it's 26% on the batteries, 7 amps going into the batteries off the sun alone, 13 volts. I think those solar panels should be producing around 57 volts. The 3 of them are in series, so they make a lot of voltage. So I gotta climb up there and make sure that all the wiring is good. There's a lot of birds around the water. I think that's a kestrel or some kind of falcon or something. Get in the car. Get in the car. So anyways, that's what we're doing today. It's Sunday the 5th. We had a late night last night. They were throwing off, somebody had a major fireworks display going in the campground until 11:30, so we didn't get to bed early like we usually do, and we still woke up at 7. So it's a nice day though. I've got work to do on the trailer that I don't want to get in a rainstorm with or anything, so hopefully we'll continue on. Alright, here's some more of the video of what we're doing up there. I'll give you a review of the campsite we're at, which in my opinion isn't very good. It has no dump station, no good water set up to load your truck or your trailer or whatever. No electricity, no bathhouse. It has vault toilets, which I'm not against vault toilets, but they're not all that clean. The host it's her first year, her and her husband, and I'm not sure what all her duties are, but I think for the most part it's just giving out campsites. And the mosquitoes have been awful. I mean, June mosquitoes are always bad, but when we pull into the campground, the mosquitoes are like a fog. They're just a cloud. So I don't like the mosquitoes very much. You can't go outside without swatting mosquitoes left and right. We've taken a couple of walks around the campground, and it's miserable. The swim area has a nice breeze, so the mosquitoes aren't there. But I'm not impressed with I'll never camp at this campground again. It's also way off the beaten path. It's 14 miles from the campsite to the what is it, the Bay Furnace, which is the other campsite that we can dump at. Bay Furnace is a little nicer, a little cleaner, a little more set up. I think the host has been there a long time, and they have more lake access. So anyways, I don't want to make this a talkie, so we'll get back in the car and show you some other places.